Okay, so when you're rotating about a point, there are no rules to follow. Like X and Y don't switch, they don't become their opposite. You just kind of have to be able to look and see how far did a shape move. So I want you to draw just like a little coordinate plane, right? And when you think about it, so if I want to label this A, B, C, and D. So if your shape is only moving this much, so from here to here, that's 1/4 of a turn. So 1/4 of a turn is 90 degrees. And I'll switch colors. If you have a shape and if you look at a point and it moves a full half a turn, so from A to C, half a turn is half a circle, so that's 180 degrees. And then black. If I start from A and I'm going clockwise and I move all the way to where point D is, that would be 3/4 of a full turn, and that is 270 degrees. This is going clockwise, right? So that's kind of the way you think about it. If you look at a point, so if I had, actually no, I have another slide, an example one that I think will show you this idea better, but I do want you to write down these 3 points here. So if you're only moving a point, only 1/4 of a turn, it's 90 degrees. The full half circle is 180, and then 3/4 would be 270. I want you to write this down, and then I think I can explain it better in example 1.